dear children, welcome to the online video class or the YouTube channel. Welcome everyone and welcome to the English language class. On behalf of Shukriti ma'am, I'm taking this class now along with your English literature and geography class. One important announcement I want to do today, that is you have to submit the project of all the subject that I take on 5th October, and the time will be from 10 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. So within this time you have to submit the project. If you submit the project before this stipulated time and date or after this stipulated time and date, then those project work will not be accepted by me. So if you submit it before the time and after the time, I'll not accept those projects and you will not get the project marks. So today we will do the language class. We were doing chapter number 9, articles. Let me once again introduce myself. I am Sukanya Chakraborty and I am taking your English language as well. So we have completed exercise 1 of page number 35. Today we will continue with exercise 2. So today I want to repeat or revise this chapter once again, that where to use a, where to use an and where to use the. We have already discussed in our previous video that where we are using this a and an. So before a noun or before a vowel or a vowel sounding word, we will use an, and before the consonant or consonant sounding words, we will use a or the. But the, basically this the or the, whatever you can tell, whatever you say, this is used when any particular thing is mentioned, or whenever anything is mentioned in particular, at the time the is used, the or the is used. So first of all, this use of the, page number 35, the, before any noun, when we want to particularize it, means whenever we are using that thing in particular, we use the. Suppose we are not talking of any ball, but the ball with which we are playing, means not the normal ball, means suppose the ball with which I am playing, that will be the ball with which you are playing, that is the particular ball. Okay, so we lost the ball with which we were playing. The ball with which we were playing, that particular ball, we are searching that particular ball. So with superlatives, the most intelligent child, the best comedy, with superlatives we used the with the first and the last, the next, with the first bench, the last boy, the next day. In this way we use the. With a common noun, when the noun represents the whole class, means the rose is a beautiful flower, means the flower, the king of the flower, in the flower kingdom, the king is the flower, rose. So that is the rose is the beautiful flower, particularly that flower. The dove is a very gentle bird. Suppose with moon, with sky, with universe, we use the. So in this way we use the with the name of the rivers, name of the seas, so name of mountain ranges, name of holy books, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Gita, the Bible, the Rajdhani Express, means with trains, with the names of the trains, ships, aeroplane, we use the. Then with the name of countries, or if the name includes a common noun, suppose the UK, the USA, these are the developed countries. So with this we are using the. Now with the news, with the names of the newspaper, the Times of India, the Indian Express, the Hindustan Times, the Anandabhaja Patrika. Then with the names of well-known buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Fatehpur Sikri, okay, the Victoria Memorial. So in this way we can use Now where we will not use anything, the blank will remain unfilled. Okay, so no article is used with proper noun. Suppose Ashoka, New Delhi. Before that, no articles will be used. No article is used with abstract noun. Suppose love, hope, the hope, the beauty. Okay. No article is used with such noun as gold, silver, water, which names materials. So in that case, the will not be used. So whenever a noun is particularized, we have to use the definite article, that is the. So the is a definite article. The water in this tank is contaminated. The water in this particular tank. At that time, before water, you have to use the. But normally, before water, you cannot use any articles. A water and water, the water. No, water is essential for our life. But when we are using the water in that particular tank is dirty, at that time you are using the. So when we say English, it means English language. At that time we don't use the. But when we say the English, it means the English people. Means the people, those who speak English language. Now we will do exercise 2. First one. Have you seen the principal? Yes, he is talking to a visitor. Whenever I'm telling it, you take it down and listen to my video and fill up the blanks in your book with pencil. The youngest daughter has just joined an arts college. We had to wait for an hour and a half. My uncle has settled in the UK. The Ganga rises in the Himalayas and falls in the Bay of Bengal. On our trip to cross, in that blank you have to put a cross. No articles are used before proper noun, Kathmandu. We visited the Swambhunath temple. Means in Kathmandu, that particular temple, before that you have to use the. What is an average height of an Indian male? Number 8, first blank, cross. French, only French. This is the language. French is the language of the French. The French are the people, those who speak French. Now exercise 3. Garibaldi was a great Indian general. Much of the credit for making cross Italy an advanced modern nation goes to Garibaldi. Before Garibaldi, no articles are used. Before Italy, no articles will be used. He was not only a great military leader, but he also took a keen personal interest in the welfare of the people. One day, before Garibaldi, no articles used, came across a shepherd who had lost a lamb. He was moved to see the deep distress of the shepherd and ordered his soldiers to crisscross the entire forest to find out the lost lamb. It was late, but since the moon was shining in the sky, the soldiers could search far into the night, but they found no trace of the lamb that had to return empty-handed. Next morning, Garibaldi woke up much later than his usual time, but as soon as he woke up, he called his servant, took out the shepherd's lost lamb from under his bed, and ordered him to carry it to the shepherd. It was now clear that when everyone had given up hope, Garibaldi had continued his search until he found the lamb. So that's all for today. In our next video, we will continue with a new chapter. We will start a new chapter. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.